how to find low competition keywords. Here are 5 strategies you can use. First, use free keyword tools like Google Keyword Planners, Ubersuggest, or Answer the Public to find keyword ideas and difficulty score. Second, focus long tail keywords because they usually have lower competition and higher conversion rate. Third, analyze competitors using tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush to discover keyword opportunities they may be missing. Fourth, using Google autocomplete and related search to find real queries people are searching for. 5. Understand search intent. International keywords like how to start a blog are often easier to rank for than highly competitive buying keywords.